You think animals are cute and harmless? Think again, because nature isn't just beautiful, it's terrifyingly creative. From bugs that turn victims into zombies, to birds that drink blood, and dolphins with disturbingly dark hobbies. These are 10 creepy animal facts you never knew. Let's begin. In the tropical forests of Costa Rica, a wasp called Hymenopimysis argyrophaga doesn't just sting its prey, it takes control of it. The wasp paralyzes a spider, then lays an egg on its back. When the larva hatches, it eats the spider alive from the outside. Before it dies, the spider's brain is reprogrammed. It's forced to build a special one-time web, a coffin web designed only to protect the wasp's cocoon. Then the spider dies. The larva pupates inside. A new wasp is born. On the remote Galapagos Islands, a tiny bird has developed a monstrous habit. It's called the vampire finch. When food runs low, it lands on larger birds like boobies, pecks open their skin, and drinks their blood. The strangest part? The victims barely react, as if they have accepted their fate. You've heard that cockroaches can survive anything, but here's the truth. They can live for weeks without a head. Their body doesn't need the brain to breathe or move. It's controlled by tiny nerve clusters throughout the body. They only die because they eventually starve. So next time you crush one, remember, it might still be moving. Octopuses are smart, but they're also deeply alien. Each arm has its own mini brain and can taste everything it touches. When an octopus explores, it's literally tasting the ocean around it. Each limb acts almost independently, sometimes even fighting the others. Scientists call them distributed minds. 8 thinking arms, 1 alien creature. Dolphins look playful, intelligent, friendly. But dolphins have a dark side. Researchers have documented gangs of male dolphins killing smaller porpoises. Not for food, not for defense, just for fun. They also attack rivals and trap females to mate. Behind that smile is one of the ocean's most violent predators. Meet the exploding ant. When threatened, this tiny soldier tenses its muscles so hard that its insides burst open. The explosion sprays toxic glue onto its attacker, killing them both. Nature's kamikaze. One dies so the colony can live. Inside some tropical fish lives a creature straight from a nightmare. The tongue-eating louse enters through the gills, feeds on the fish's tongue until it's gone, and then replaces it. It literally becomes the new tongue. The fish uses it to eat, to live, as if nothing's wrong. Male ducks have corkscrew-shaped genitals. Females evolved counter-spiraled reproductive tracts to block them. A twisted arms race of evolution inside their bodies. Creepy, complicated, totally real. The rumors are true. Female praying mantises often bite off the male's head during mating, but decapitation actually makes him mate more aggressively. So she gets better fertilization by killing him in the process. There exists a jellyfish that might never die. Turritopsis dohrnii. When injured or old, it can revert its cells back to a younger state and start life over again. Immortal. Unless something eats it first. So next time you see an innocent-looking animal, remember, nature doesn't play nice. Which of these creepy facts freaked you out the most? Tell us in the comments. And if you want to explore the strange, dark, and fascinating side of the animal kingdom, subscribe and join us here at Echo and Amelia.